Hello everyone. In the last class, we have learned how to use file menu. Today, we are going to learn edit menu and some other. The edit menu, first one is undo. What is undo mean? Okay, I am going to select the sentence of Bangalore is a green city and I am going to delete on keypad. I deleted. What I deleted, again I want to get back me. Go to edit and click on undo, it will come back. So undo is nothing but step back. Whatever you can do, it will go one step back. That is called undo. And next is cut. So Arish is a good student. I don't want here, I want to cut the sentence. Go to edit, click on cut, and where do you want, you can keep it there by pressing enter. Okay, I want here. So go to edit and here paste. Again I don't want here, select this, go to edit, click on cut and again click here, go to edit and paste it. So cut paste mean where you are going to cut, it will disappear there, and where you are going to paste, it will come there. That is called cut and paste. But I want to keep here and also I want one more at the time. Select, okay, I am going to select the 3 sentence. I am going to make a copy. So I want to make a double of this. So I am going to click here and I am going to click on paste. See, it can be here and also it came another one copy. So it is called copy paste. If we did cut paste, it will disappear. It disappeared in the previous and it appear where it going to paste. But copy paste, you can get the mother copy and also another one. I hope you are getting. Next, I don't want this, I want to delete. You can delete on keypad, otherwise you can delete on edit menu. When you click on delete, say it's going to delete it. Again, if you want to get back, you can go to edit and click on undo. And one more, once if you are copy, you can paste it on multiple times. See. So this is nothing but cut, copy, paste and delete. Search with bring, no need. Let's go to find. What is find mean? Okay, I am going to select a word. Example good. I want to find the good. Where are the goods are there in this whole file? Go to edit. Click find. I'm sorry. Go to edit. Click find. And it asking find what. So here choose down because it is in up, you want to search in down. Click find next, find the next, find the next. See, you can observe where are the good, it's going there. Again, if you want to find up because it is in down, you can choose up. See, find next, find next, find next, find next. You can give like this. And again, if you want to down, you can give here. You can find here, otherwise click on find the next. You can observe, see it's here. Again click on find next. Again it's came here. Again find the next. Again find the next. Again find the next. See, it's moving. I want to find previous word. You can click on find previous, find previous, find previous. Otherwise go to find and you can click here up, find next and down, find next. I hope you are getting these options, how to use. Good. Now we understood what is undo, cut, copy, paste, delete, find the next and previous, find previous. Now go to replace. Now here I don't want good, I want to make a replace of that. So go to replace. It asking find what? Good. Replace with what you want. Okay, I want new. I am going to type new, replace with. When I am going to click on replace, you can observe it's replacing good into new. After completing, the message will come here, cannot find good because it's completed. Again, I am going to choose new on top of the line. Go to edit, replace. Now instead of new, I need clever. and you can click on replace. You can click one by one, otherwise I want to replace all at a time. You can click replace all. Now we can observe all new is converted as a clover. Got it? Good. Next, go to. Now we can observe the go to menu is not activated, because when it happened like that, go to view and disable, sorry, not a view, I am sorry, go to format, you can disable this word wrap. Now we can observe the go to option is working. Why like that, I will explain the next class. Now let's go to, what is go to mean? Okay, you can observe here the cursor point, it's blinking, right? I want to move that cursor point to 4th line or 6th line. So go to edit, go to, now we can move for 7th line, click on go to. Now we can observe, see it's here, line number 1, line number 2, line number 3, line number 4, 5, 6, 7. We are in 7th line. Again go to edit, click on go to. Again I want to move line number 1 and click OK. Now we can observe the cursor point moved in the first line. So the go to which used to move cursor point from one line to another line. Got it? Good. Then I want to select all these contents mean. You can select by mouse by pressing left button of the mouse, and you can move on it. Otherwise I want to select all at a time. Go to edit, click on select all, it will come. And one more, you can observe on each options we have right side shortcut, but about shortcut I will teach in upcoming classes, not now. If you want you can use it, otherwise you can use by menu. Select all, yes. If you don't want default deselect, just click on anywhere. The next option is time and date. Okay, I want to insert time and date now. Go to edit and click on time and date. Now see what is the time at present, it can be shown here. I hope you are getting. Yes, in this video we have learned edit menu. The next class we are going to learn format and view menu. I hope you understand this class. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. See you on next video.